Hello, and welcome to your daily AI news update. Today is Tuesday, October 28th, 2025. I'm Isabella Yuha, here to help you understand what's new in the world of artificial intelligence. Let's dive into some of the most important updates shaping our digital lives. First up, Google has just released a big update for its AI assistant, Gemini, called the Gemini Drop for October 2025. This update brings smarter tools for getting things done, better ways to be creative, and deeper connections across Google's many apps. Why does this matter to you? Well, Gemini can now create full presentations for you instantly just by giving it a topic or a document. Imagine needing to prepare slides for work or school. Gemini can build them for you, completely with visuals and layouts, and you can easily edit them in Google Slides. The update also makes Gemini better at understanding tricky topics and giving clear step-by-step explanations, which is great for learning or tackling complex problems. Plus, for those who love creating videos, Google's Veo 3.1 now allows for more realistic video generation, letting you add dialogue and sound effects directly, making AI-powered storytelling much more diverse and adaptable. This means your everyday tasks, from school projects to creative hobbies, could become a lot easier and more powerful with AI by your side. Next, we have exciting news from OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT. They are making their ChatGPT Go plan free for 1 year for all users in India who sign up during a special limited time. Why is this important? This move aims to make advanced AI tools much more accessible to a huge number of people in India, where the cost of technology can sometimes be a barrier. The ChatGPT Go plan offers big upgrades compared to the free version, including much more usage capacity, faster responses, and the ability to create images and upload files. It also gives you a longer memory, so your AI conversations will feel more personal and remember what you've talked about before. By making these powerful features free, OpenAI hopes to inspire even more creativity and help people learn and achieve amazing things with AI, fostering innovation in one of its largest and fastest-growing markets. Our third story takes us to Microsoft, which has unveiled a major update for its AI assistant, Copilot, in what they're calling the fall release. This update focuses on making AI more personal and centered around human interaction. What does this mean for you? Microsoft has introduced a new friendly animated character named Miko, which adds warmth and expression to your voice conversations with Copilot. Think of it like your AI getting a personality. Copilot can now remember important information and recall it later, personalizing your experience. It also has new tools called Groups that turn Copilot into a shared space where up to 32 people can work together in real time, brainstorming, planning, and co-writing, with the AI keeping discussions summarized and tasks organized. This means your digital companion can become a truly flexible helper, boosting your creativity and productivity, and even assisting with health questions or acting as a tutor, all while keeping your privacy central. Moving on, there's a significant strategic partnership making waves in the AI world. Anthropic, the company behind the Claude AI models, has signed a multi-billion-dollar deal with Google to secure massive computing power. Why does this matter? This agreement means Anthropic will get access to Google's specialized AI computer chips called Tensor Processing Units, or TPUs. These powerful chips are essential for training very advanced AI models like Claude, which are known for their human-like conversations. This huge investment in computing power, valued in the tens of billions of dollars, will ensure that Anthropic can continue to develop and improve its AI, making Claude even smarter, faster, and more efficient. For us, this means the AI models we use in the future, especially conversational ones, will likely become much more capable and sophisticated, pushing the boundaries of what AI can do to help us in various aspects of our lives. Finally, we turn our attention to an important legal development involving Perplexity AI. The popular social media platform Reddit has filed a lawsuit against Perplexity, accusing it of illegally taking content from its site. Why is this important for normal people? This lawsuit highlights a big ongoing debate in the world of AI, how AI companies use information from the internet to train their models and provide answers. Reddit claims that Perplexity went around its technological protections to access content without permission, using it to power its AI search results. Perplexity, on the other hand, denies training its AI models on this content and argues it's an application layer company that doesn't do that. This case, and others like it, are crucial because they could set new rules for how AI tools can use online information. It affects everything from how we get our news and information to how content creators are compensated for their work, ultimately shaping the fairness and sustainability of the AI landscape for everyone online. That's it for now. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Isabella Yuha, helping people feel confident with new technology.